Hey there, welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to use Rewardful affiliate software for SaaS. Rewardful is an affiliate software designed especially for SaaS companies. If you are looking to grow your SaaS business through referral marketing or affiliate programs, Rewardful makes it simple. Let's dive right in. So, the first step is sign up for Rewardful. Here you just need to go to rewardful.com, and this is the homepage of rewardful.com, and here you will find a button that is for start your affiliate program. Click on it, and here you will find a form. Enter your first name, last name, email address, your company name, your company website, the password, and then you need to enter minimum 8 character, ideally more, then confirm your password. Then you need to complete the captcha, then click on the sign up button. After you click on your sign up button, you will find a confirmation email in your email inbox. Here you will find a link, click on it, and here you will redirect it to the subscription page. Here you'll find 3 types of plan available. You can try 40 days tutorials too. You can also check out the features that they are offering in these plans. After purchasing this plan, follow these steps. Step 2 is connect your payment processor. To start using Rewardful, you need to integrate your payment processor. Rewardful supports Stripe and Paddle, 2 popular payment platforms for SaaS business. Once connected, Rewardful will be able to track transactions and calculate commissions for your affiliates. Then, step 3 is set up your affiliate program. It's time to set up your affiliate program. Go to the Programs tab and click Create New Program. Here you can customize the details of your program, such as program name. Give it a clear and descriptive name. Commission type. Choose between a flat fee or a percentage based commission. Commission rate. Set the percentage or fee amount affiliates will earn for each successful referral. You can also set up recurring commission if you have a subscription based SaaS model. Step 4 is create affiliate links. Now let's create affiliate links. Go to the affiliates tab. Here, as you can see in this screenshot, the affiliate tab is already opened here. Then click add affiliate. Here you will enter the affiliate's name and email address. Rewardful will automatically generate a unique referral link for them. Once added, the affiliate will receive an email with your referral link and can start promoting your SaaS product. Step 5 is customize affiliate notification. Here, as you can see, you can customize this. Rewardful also allows you to customize the email sent to your affiliates under the setting tab. You can edit email template for affiliate onboarding, transaction notifications, and commission payouts. Step 6 is track performance. Finally, track the performance of your affiliate program under Analytics tab. Here you will find data on total referrals, conversion rates, revenue generated through affiliates, pending and paid commissions. This section is invaluable for optimizing your program and identifying your top performing affiliates. That's it. Setting up and managing your affiliate programs with Rewardful is quick and straightforward. It's a powerful tool for SaaS business to scale through partnerships and referrals. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more guides like this. Thanks for watching. Till next time.